Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open your CAPITEC app and make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Transaction History or Recent Transactions section. This is usually found in your account dashboard or under a menu that says Transactions or Activity. Step 2. Find the specific transaction you want to reverse by scrolling through your recent payments and transfers. Look for the exact amount and date that matches what you're trying to reverse. Tap on that transaction to open its details. Step 3. Once you've selected the transaction, look for an option that says Reverse, Recall, or Dispute. This button should appear on the Transaction Details page. If you don't see it immediately, check if there's a menu button with 3 dots or lines. Step 4. Tap on the Reverse option and you'll be prompted to confirm your action. The app will ask you why you want to reverse the transaction, so select the appropriate reason from the drop-down menu provided. This helps CAPITEC process your request faster. Step 5. Review all the details one more time before submitting. Make sure the amount and recipient information are correct, then confirm the reversal. You should receive a confirmation message on your screen, and a notification will be sent to your phone with a reference number for your records.